Alright, let's see what happens when ferrets go out in the snow. Ready, guys? Ooh, what's that? No, don't go tunnel in it. Oops. You're funny. Gonna dig a tunnel? Where are you going, Bella? Don't get lost now. Ah! I'm being chased. How about if I bury you? Oh no, Bella, come back. Come back. Where are you going?